Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have an excited video for you. The pure Georgette satin Patta Saree, price at just Rs-899. Let's divine right in and see what this saree has to offer. First, let's talk about the fabric. This saree is crafted from pure Georgette satin. Known for its lightweight and drape, the fabric feels silky and smooth against the skin, making it comfortable to wear all day long. And one of the best thing about this saree, it's versatile. You can experiment with different draping style to create unique and stylish look. Whether it's a tradition drape or modern twist, this saree can adapt to any occasion seamlessly. We also need to talk about the high quality stitching. The saree is beautifully finished with precious, ensuring durability and longevity. You can trust this saree to last for a year, becoming a timeless addition to your wardrobe. Now let's see how this saree looks when worn. As you can see, it drapes beautifully and enhances the wearable grace and elegance. The rich color and intricate design truly make a statement wherever you go. And there you have it, the pure Georgette satin Patta saree, priced at an affordable Rs-899. If you are looking for a saree that combines style and comfort and value for money, this is definitely worth considering. And guys, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit and subscribe to our button and stay tuned for more unboxing and review video. We appreciate your support, guys. And if you want to purchase this saree, then I'll share link is in description box. You can check it out. Till then, bye, take care, and thank you for watching my video.